Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be tackling a frustrating issue that many people have, right? When the Windows updates get stuck and you won't actually finish. So if you've ever been stuck watching, that spinning circle or waiting for an update to install with just one bunch, you're not alone, guys. So I'm going to show you some simple but effective solutions to get those updates moving again. Okay, first guys, what you want to do is actually try a basic restart. Okay, sometimes look, Windows updates can freeze due to temporary glitches or conflicts. Just press and hold the power button until your computer shuts off completely. After a few seconds, turn it back on. Okay? This reboot often prompts Windows to continue or restart the update process, which can get things moving in again. Okay? While it seems simple, quick restart can solve this problem more often than you'd expect. Okay? Next thing, guys, what I want you to do is check your internet connection, right? Ensure that you actually have a stable internet connection, guys. Just look, updates can get stuck if there's a drop in connectivity, so check that you're properly connected to Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection. For large updates, guys, a weak or interrupted connection can cause delays or freezes. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router if necessary, or just switch up to, a more stable network if you can. Now, now I'm going to show you some technical solutions. If the issue persists, what you can do is try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This is basically a built-in tool designed to specifically update issues. So here's how you do it, guys. You right-click on your Start menu, click on Settings, okay, click on Settings, and now I'm going to show you just how we can troubleshoot this issue. So I'm going to wait for this settings to load up. Alright, it's almost going to load up just now. I'm going to show you just what to click on and where to go to troubleshoot settings. So you want to click now on Update and Security, guys. Click on Update and Security option and wait for this to load up. Just going to wait for this to load up and hopefully I can show you what to do next, guys. In just a moment. Okay, now this has loaded up, guys. Now we want to go and click on Windows Update and you're going to see the troubleshoot option. You just want to troubleshoot Windows Update. Right now I don't have any updates pending, so it's not showing up, but basically what you want to do is click on troubleshoot, and then what you want to do is select the option that says additional troubleshooters, and then choose Windows Update. Okay, just run the troubleshooter and it will automatically detect and fix issues that is preventing the update from completing. So once it's done, just try rerunning the update and see if it goes through this time, guys. And if you're still stuck with the update, guys, what you can do is try clearing the update cache. This might help. This can be done by stopping and restarting the Windows Update service, which helps, clear out any old files causing issues. So what you need to do is on the search bar, you just want to type services on the search bar right here. I'm going to show you just how you can do that. Just type services. Okay, we're going to see a bunch of different options. We're going to wait for this options to load up. What we're going to be doing next is basically we're going to be opening up the services app. You see the services app right here. We're going to be opening this up, guys, from here. Just click on open, and then we're going to wait for this to open up, and then I'm going to show you just how, guys, we can clear our cache. So you click on Windows app right here. And I'm going to wait for this to load up, and I'll see you then. Alright guys, so it has opened up and now you just want to scroll down to find Windows Update. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you actually find this option that says Windows Update right here. So just right click this option right here and then you can click on Stop. Okay, there's no update happening for me right now, so I cannot do that. But basically you come here, right click, alright, and press stop. And then what you want to do, guys, okay, you want to go to this. Okay, you want to go to this folder on your Windows. Just you can copy and paste this. You can type it out on your file explorer here. And what you want to do is you want to delete all the files inside this folder. Okay, after that, what you want to do is go back. Okay, double click on Windows Update again or right click and you want to actually click on start again. Okay, now you can try running the update again. So clearing the cache can actually, help resolve installed updates, or updates that have been installed actually. So it's literally that simple, guys. And that's it, guys. If your Windows updates have been stuck, these steps should help get things moving again. You can start with the basics, restart or running the troubleshooter, or go through more of the advanced options. Guys, remember, updates are essential to keep your system secure and running smoothly, so don't ignore them, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, guys, so I can see you in the next video. If you have any issues, guys, put them in the comments below, and I'll actually help you out. Okay? See you.